What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to see your ping and FPS in CS2. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helped you. If you see guys, in my right corner you can see my FPS in CS2 and my ping too. Click escape, just go to this gear and go here to game, scroll down below to the end and you will see here telemetry. You can turn this all on. If you see guys FPS, show ping and all this thing, just click this and go always. And if you see guys, click escape, go back in your game. In right corner you can see your ping and FPS in CS2. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.